Guys, here we are at Dollar Tree, and I thought we'd scroll through their gift wrapping and kids section over here, paper plates and napkins. Let's get started, guys. Look at the assortment of bows that Dollar Tree has on this wall. These are absolutely gorgeous, guys. So along the bottom here, you have some basket bags. Then here are the ribbons. These ribbons I've never seen. They have different kinds and different colors. Then these even here say party. Let's party. Yeah, these are really nice. This one here has wine and champagne and wine and martini glasses. Then you have your regular curly ribbon, and then here's some of the ribbons that are in front of me right now. Look at that, all the way up to the top, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Now over here they have a box of some wrapping paper, but let me just scan through those real quick so you could see. Look at these. This yellow one is really nice, and so is this blue pattern. So now over here, these are one of my favorites. These craft paper rolls. Look at the one with the paw prints, and that one over there has the happy birthday with the balloons in red and in blue. Then over here they have these kind. This one over here has the little trucks and the floral ones back there. I like this pattern. And then look at these bows. Absolutely beautiful, guys. So here you have some metallics. Look at these metallic ones, guys. I'm loving that. Look at this, the gold one. Look at that one. And they have it in the red. Look at that. I'm loving those. And then they have the plain ones along the bottom. And here's some more print. And look at this. They even have the one with the bicycle on it. That's nice. And here's some more of the bows. I don't want you guys to miss out on this because these are beautiful. And then here are all the metallics. So you have the silver. Look at that metallic blue. Then they have the pink. I'm not sure what color this is right here. It's red. Yeah, it's red. I don't know. It looked different over here. Purple. I'm loving the colors. So here's some more of the bows. And some more of the wrapping paper over here, guys. These say happy birthday. These are more for kids, these over here. Okay, so then if we come over here, you're gonna get into the gift boxes for the cards. You can get into the banners. Look how pretty those are. And then these giant bags over here have balloons on them, guys. And look at that one. Let's see what else they have. They have these. Look how cute. I love those. So they have that pattern and that pattern. And let's see, I thought I saw a different pattern. And that one. Then back here they have that blue. So those are really nice. And then these are the banners, guys. So here you have your gift. It says gift sacks. That's these right here. And those come in colors. Those are bags. Then you have the tissue paper. Look how cute that one is, guys. It has popsicle sticks and unicorns. I'm loving that silver pattern up there. Then you have this. You have all kinds. Look at that, guys. Here it is in this black. And this kind. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. They have this color. They have that royal blue color. I'm loving that color too. The gold. I don't see the silver one there. So then they have some more here. Look at this one. I love that pattern. Okay. Yeah, these are really nice. So these are gift bags. These are really pretty, guys. And then look at this tissue paper. Very fancy. So they have the plain white ones on the bottom, and then these are just the gift. Yeah, these are the gift. The shrink wrap with the pull bow. Those are really nice. So then here we have the gift boxes right here along the top. And then you have the gift bags. Look at that. That's Mickey Mouse. And look at the emoji bag right here. So then you have these that say let's celebrate. You have Frozen. Let me scan through these for you. Happy birthday wishes. Happy birthday. Let's see. I don't want to knock this stuff down. So they have that pattern, this pattern, and that pattern. Look at that one. That's so nice. These are the smaller bags. So this has the narwhal. That one says happy birthday with a cake. That's so pretty. And then that one, the unicorn. So this one, I like this one. Make a wish. So that one says happy birthday. Let me see. Hip hop hooray, it's your birthday. That's so nice. So they have these. And then they have these guys. I'm loving the bag. So now they have the tissue paper and the pastels, and these are in the darker colors. Look, mommy's little man. That's so cute. And celebrate, enjoy, hooray. And I'm loving this flower one. Isn't that pretty, guys? Then they have the stakes for the ground, and then they have this party animal one. These are the wine bags. It says yes, way rose, gray ones, and here's the hieroglyphic ones, and there's the red, and here's the gold. Look at the gold. So they have all of this is the iridescent section right here. So then along the bottom you have the paper shreds in these colors here, and they range all the way back there, red, blue, yellow, and all the different colors, guys. You see that? And the paper shreds over here, yellow, white, red, and blue. So over here you have the tissue pom-pom garlands, and look, they come in all colors. And you have the tassel garlands right here. Okay, and then they have this little teeny tiny section of wedding stuff. I don't know why in this Dollar Tree is so small, but anyway, here's the tool. You don't get very much tool in here. It says 5 yards. And then what are these? So these are the mini wedding bubbles. Okay, and then you have the wedding cups and the napkins and the paper plates. Then you have these 2 bucket favor set. So they have some of those, and then they have the rose petals. You see them in pink and red and in white. Let's see, they have that one. It says your wedding day. And that one says happily ever after. Hang that up. Then they have these gift boxes down here. And they have these ribbons, guys. These ribbons are really nice. I like these. So they have these ribbons. On this roll, we have some more of these gift bags, and you have some more of the basket bags. Now over here you have the crazy straws. This one says Star Wars. That's nice. Then you have these straws. And here's I like these paper straws. Aren't they nice, guys? Okay, and then there's your party hats. There's your photo frames. Then they have the balloons that say love in red, and that's pink. Okay, and here's that. I love this one. This is the engagement ring. Photo prop backgrounds. Then you have some more of the different kind of party hats, and along the bottom, like those gift boxes. And there's your drinking cups. So here's some more photo props, guys. Then you have the confetti. I'm loving the confetti. They come in all colors. So here you have your balloons. They have the regular balloons. They have the metallic balloons. They have the ones that have these polka dots on them. These are the ones with the polka dots, and these have the circles. See them in the white? These are metallic, and then they have the plain colors right here. They even have the emoji ones, guys. Look at that. That's so neat. So then they have some birthday boxes along the bottom. You see that, guys? And then here's the area where you can make the kids favors, which is pretty awesome. So here's the yo-yos, and here is the flutes, And I'm not really sure what that game is, but here are the animals here, the snakes and stuff. Here are the award favors, and then they have the medals. Here you have like the little airplanes. I think these are like helicopters. So you have these, I'm not sure what that is, but these are the gliders. Okay. So they have the stars, and they have the glow favors too. The glow favors, I don't think I've ever seen these glow favors, so that might be new. And these are the frogs. But anyway, some of them have 6 in a pack, 12 in a pack, 8 in a pack, and 4 in a pack. And these over here are 24 in a pack. The tablecloths and the napkins. Some of these you can use for adult, like these flower patterns and this black and white pattern, and even this pattern. And here's the pink. So you have the stars, and then you have the centerpiece there that says happy birthday. And then look at this. I don't think I've seen this. Hanging decoration. I don't know what that looks like there. Then you have the happy birthday banner and some more party hats over here. Here's the wall mural. I never seen a wall mural. That's new. Okay, then you have your napkins. That one says bang, bam. I'm liking those wands. There's some more happy birthday and horns. Okay. This is a snack stand, guys, and it's Disney. I don't think I ever noticed that before. Guys, you tell me. Here's Paw Patrol. So you have Disney and Paw Patrol up here. Then these here are the bags to serve popcorn and pretzels, the snack bags. And they're in Mickey, Donald Duck. It's Disney. It's really nice. So there's the happy birthday napkins. Then here's your photo prop for the castle for a princess birthday. And here's the decorations, the party hats, and even the invitations. And here it is for the boys, the football and home run. And actually you can use these for adults too, like Super Bowl Sunday. Wouldn't that be cool? So, and then you have the mermaid, paper plates, and the tissues. So here you have, again, some favors and some invitations. Beautiful, guys. And then the unicorn from the bottom all the way up, you see. Look at that one over there. It says happy birthday with the crown. And then you have the party hats and the whole Lego. Like if you wanted to have a Lego birthday, guys, here's the party hats with the Legos. I never saw those. And then you have the happy birthday with the Legos, and here are the favors with the Legos. Here's your centerpiece, your tablecloth, guys, and there's your paper plates and napkins. So then you have some other little accessories over here. That's what are those? Whack-a-pack. So you have some of those, and then your gift baskets in red, the plastic, and then you have the clear ones down here, and some more favor bags over here. And then you have these little teeny tiny bags right here. Those make for great gifts. And then here are the straws. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. And then you have some toys over here on the end. You can use so many things, guys. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look at all their party stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.